Greetings YouTube, how y'all doing today? This Silver Top Flyer coming at you from Clarksville, Georgia. Here we are at Hobby Time, your one-stop hobby shop right downtown Clarksville. We're gonna walk right on inside and see if we can get some video, show you what this guy's got going on. As soon as we walk in the door, for you painters, get your paint. Nice selection of models. Replacement parts, wheels, new shoes for all your trucks. Oh, look at there, hanging from the ceiling. They're driving on the ceiling. Over here in this flight section, boats, airplanes. Pretty nice place. I kind of dig it. Got a quad. Got your Hudson H107D X4 Plus. Got a nice selection of bodies for your trucks and basher cars for when you guys tear them up. I know how you are. Horizon Hobby. Cars, trucks, Jeeps, crawlers. I really like the K5 Blazer. My mother's first vehicle was a Chevy K5 Blazer. I don't want to be hollering like I do at home, so excuse me if I don't sound off. Pretty nice selection. More replacement parts. For you guys that like to fly the rockets, you got your rocket engine motors, glue, snippers, tweezers, steel rods, skins. You got just about a little bit of everything in here. I think this lady over here is one of the owners. I'm going to go ahead and put her on. Go ahead. What's your name?
I'm Angie.
Good to see you, Angie. Thank you for letting us film today.
No problem. Thank you for coming in.
Really appreciate it. Nice assortment of parts over here behind. I think he may be working on a track bike here. I don't know if he is or not.
Yeah.
We'll sneak back here and take a peek and see what's going on in the back. He hasn't got finished yet, but it looks like he's got some jumps and a place for a viewer stand. He'll get it done. Got plenty of room. I like it. I like it a lot. It's less than 20 minutes from my house is why I like it so much, to tell you the truth. Oh, look at the old plane hanging there from the ceiling. Old bent wing, gull wing. I guess that's what it is. Oh, there's a 4-bank charger right there. That's an awesome deal. There's your sealing iron for you guys that like to build your own planes. You seal off the bodies and the wings. A little bit of everything. All right, folks. I'm going to cut it short. We appreciate y'all riding with us today. If you're close by, go ahead and give HobbyTime MotorSports a shout. They're right downtown Clarksville, Georgia. There's our car. The missus in there just fuming because I'm out here filming for YouTube. Another shot right there. I love the big door you walk in. Real airy place. Really like it a lot. All right, folks, y'all have a good afternoon. This is Silver Top Flyer signing out.